YouTube, what's up guys? Back at it, back on Celica content. Today is a great day. We are getting some new wheels for my Celica GTS. So you guys know that I bought FRS, just base package wheels. I'm really excited. They're 17 inches and then I'm gonna run two 15s, 45, so a little bit smaller, 17 inches. So that's what I'm gonna be running on. We're doing Toyos. We're gonna get the tires mounted to the FRS wheels. I will remove the chrome wheels, but while we drop those off to get those mounted, I found this thing called I think it's an STM intake for my Evo 10. I currently have an AEM intake for my Evo 10 and I don't find it very aesthetic. I don't think it looks really good, and I didn't want to buy an ETS intake for my Evo 10 because they're $300, they're pretty expensive. The STM one are $400, but I found a used one local here for a really good deal. It's currently like aluminum or something, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick it up, and then on a later video I'm gonna show you guys me painting it and modding it and then installing it and then getting a new tune eventually on my Evo. I gotta do a boost controller on the Evo. I gotta do the intake, and then I gotta do the screamer pipe on there. And then once I have all that done, I'll get a new tune, and I think that thing will put down some really good numbers, some really good, bigger than what I put down originally. That being said, let's grab these Inkai wheels and put them in my Evo and then go drop them off to get those new toys. I think I just said Inkai wheels. I meant FRS wheels. So here they are right here. So let's go ahead and put all these in the Evo right now. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna run these off. We're gonna go get those Toyos mounted to them. I'm really excited. They're gonna look really good. I will end up doing all these black. I will paint them black so it'll no longer look chrome here. I'll show you guys how to do that, how to sand it, how to paint it. I like to do it personally with the tire on so that I don't get any scuff marks right here from when they put it on there. And the tires are gonna be good for 30,000 miles, so they won't be removed for a long time. That being said, they'll probably never be removed again. That being said, let's go ahead and grab the, let's go, I guess let's rock on out. Look at this random stuff. I feel like I'm ordering Chick-fil-A. So I guess we're gonna be dropping off the wheels. They got like a checkout thing. Weird. Anywho, let's drop these off, and I wanna get those new Toyos put on there. I'm really excited. And we will remove the chrome ones later in the video, but while we drop these off to put the new Toyos on there, we will then go get the intake. My Evo is so dirty. All right, so we're leaving all 4 there. We'll be back with some new tires for the GTS. Let's go. I'm really excited to actually get new Evo parts. It's been a long time, it feels like. I think the last thing I honestly did on the Evo was the big intercooler. That was the last thing I did, and it was a while ago. So all the charging pipe is full bolt-on, stock turbo, but I have the test pipe. Intake is AEM, I'm just not the biggest fan of it. So let's go grab this new intake from STM. Mission accomplished. So we got it hilarious. When we went and picked it up, his mom came out because he's like a military guy. I don't know what he does, but he was out of town, and the mom came out. She was really nice. She was like, "You guys all sound the same." I'm like, "Yep, loud and annoying," and she died laughing. But bang! So this is that intake. Look at this thing. It is huge. It is so good. So these are $400 originally. Look how big they are. I'm really excited. I got mine used and I got a really good deal on it, but look at that, all one piece. We're gonna sand this down and paint it black to make it look really good, but everything's in good condition. Everything will work. I want the filter probably to get replaced, so it is a K&N, so I'll have to get that part number and get a new K&N intake. But my friend Anthony called me out and said my AEM one is unaesthetic, it's dinky looking, and it had a Spectra filter on it, so he's like, you gotta get rid of it. So we got one of these. This will be a new video for the Evo. I'm very, very excited. That's all. Yes, finally, we were successful. Okay, we got some meat. So right here, 215, 45, 17s. These will last forever. Those are great tires. I've driven on them before. Those are good. HP, they're good all seasons. They just work all the time. Really, really good tires. We got that intake. Let's get out of here. I gotta clean my Evo. Boom. So there's that intake. But are you guys? So that's gonna be an exciting video. But boom, this is what we're really talking about. So officially brought the tire and wheel package home. We're using Toyo, HP. So Extensa HP, and then there's a 2, so number 2. These are really good tires. I've read a lot of good things about them. So we'll be putting this on the Celica. The black right here with the chrome will look really good for now, but I will pull them off eventually and then paint them all. But everyone was really complaining heavily about the chrome wheels on the Celica GTS Tsunami. This will fix this. This will be beautiful. So what we'll do now is I'm actually going to do another video between now and then, but I'll put that up later. I'm going to work on my MR2, and then in the afternoon today I will mount these, and that's what will wrap up the video. And like I always do, I will do a cinematic edit, and that'll probably be the intro to this. But let's go ahead and I'll jump right now where I'm putting the. Okay, so the new wheels, the ones that everyone hates more than anything. So to get these off, there's a little Allen key. So we're gonna do an Allen key. We'll do this driver's side first. Let's pop that off. So do an Allen key. We'll have to lift up the car. I got the jack over there. So let's do that. All right, let's get into this. All right, so we have one wheel off. That's the driver's. Let's grab another one. So on these Toyos, they actually they're directional. So it says left right here. That means it needs to be on the driver's side of the car. So the left side of the car. So whatever the driver's facing. We also got some of those new lugs. I was gonna do a separate video for those, but let's just do it all in one now. So we'll do the stock look wheel, which will look really good with the Tsunami paint, with the new black lug nuts, and then I'll do another video. I'll pull them all back off and show you guys how to paint them black. Boom, new wheels on. No more chrome, got rid of the chrome. So let's go ahead and lower this. I don't know if I like these. So I was gonna use a different wheel, so they're extended lugs. Do you guys like those? I might go back, I might go to a different set. They're kind of interesting when they stick out like that. But let's lower the car and see how. Yeah, that looks awesome. That looks so much better. Yes, so one done. So let's go ahead and do the rest of the four. That looks awesome. I cannot wait till they're black. When they're all black, they're gonna look really. Yes, it looks so good. It's starting to look really good. It's gonna look so good. So keep in mind, I haven't lowered the car yet, but when I do lower the car and when I go to take some photos, it'll look really, really good. I'm actually kind of liking those extended lug nuts. They're pretty cool. Again, 17 inches, and they're wider, better handling. These tires are nice too. So here's a little bit of before. And then we'll do, oh gosh, those are bad. So these are gonna look really good. Yes, just wait until they're black. I think when they look black, it'll really make the car look a lot more mean, more spaceship. All right, let's lower this thing for the last time. Damn. There we go. It is a hot day. So everything looks good on the car. I'm gonna wrap up the video here, but it doesn't work. So I'll show you why. I need spacers. So I went to pull it out of the driveway, and you can see there's some metal right here. The brake right here is touching the wheel right there and right there. So that means that it's not gonna, you can't see it or anything, but there's a couple scratch marks. So I need to pull it out. In addition to me pulling it out, I'm also going to get, I'm gonna wait till this plane. So in addition to getting a wheel spacer, so I'll get 5x100 wheel spacers, like maybe 10 millimeters. I'm gonna get a different set of lug nuts. I don't find those one as good, so I'll end up returning these and then getting a new pair. Ones that are black as well, but I don't know if I'll do the open-ended extended stud. So anyways, I needed spacers originally because the wheels are kind of in a little bit. So I'm excited that I was gonna order spacers anyways. I just now need them because of brake clearance. So I'll overnight those, get those as soon as I can, and I'll do a new video of that. But the wheels look awesome. I'm really, really happy. Yeah, I think they look amazing. So much better than those chrome ones in the back. If anyone wants these chrome ones, you can come get them. I think I wanna put them up for sale with the tires and the wheels for 200 bucks. So if anyone wants all these, I know no one really likes them, but if you have a daily driver that you want to use some, I think they're 5x100 and 5x114 or something. There's two patterns. So if anyone wants these wheels, they will be up on MITCHDORE.com. That being said, I think those look amazing. I actually really like the cyan silver with the tsunami color of the paint, so that looks really good. I'm excited to lower it. I love the tires. I just need to get spacers. I knew that when I got these, I was gonna get spacers anyways. So that'll be the next thing, is to get some spacers. But wow, those are gonna look sick. It's been a very eventful last 2 days. So I'm glad to get the wheels on. It's too bad I can't drive the car. It's funny, but anyways, I will get those spacers overnighted, and we'll do that in the next video, and then we'll go get those cinematic edits and pictures on the next one when I put the spacers on. Make sure to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more Celica content, and I'll see you on the next video, guys.